Hello, my name is Ganesh and welcome back to my YouTube channel Career Flex. This is very important video for those people or those students who are going to give IELTS exam in coming few months or in coming weeks. So in this video I will discuss three main sections, that is listening, reading and writings, and I will give the tips and tricks that you have to follow to ace all the three section. This is the exam tips that I followed on my real exams, and I think this will definitely help you at last minute preparation or last minute things on your exam day. So without wasting any time, let's start. First most is that listening. The first section will be of listening, and you have to keep two things on your mind when you enter the exam hall. Don't talk to anybody. There are a lot of students that can try to talk you. Just say hello, hi, and don't try to talk to any people, because listening is a test of focus. It will test your focus, ability to listen carefully each and every word of the speakers. So be calm and focus on the speaker, and there can be different accent of the speaker. It can be Chinese, Mexican or French. You don't want to lose the focus while you are solving the question. Second tip that definitely help you is in listening is read the question in the few seconds that are given to you. So we all know that there are the few seconds that the IELTS give when you solve the questions. So try to read each and every word of the question carefully, because if you have practice enough, you can train your minds that can you read in a few seconds. But reading the question is very important. If you want to skip the option, but read the question and underline the option keywords. There are some keywords that can help you to answer the option like questions. If you read a full 2-line question in the listening and there are 3 options, try to undermark the keywords, and if the speaker say those keywords, you can easily tick mark the option. These are 2 tips that will help you to get 8 band in the listening. Now the second section is reading. Reading is the most tricky thing in the IELTS exam. If you got caught in the trick of the IELTS, then you will lose your marks in the reading section. So for that, the most important thing you have to keep in mind is synchronize the paragraph with the question. What do you mean by synchronize? The first question of the paragraph will be, it's more likely chance that the answer will be on the first paragraph. The second question answer will be on the second or third paragraph, and so on. As you solve the question and you read the paragraph, there will be a synchronized manner of the solving of the solution. So it's very important that as you try to solve the question, the answer will be get as you read the paragraph. Now second reading tips will be read the paragraph. Don't skim. A lot of people say skim the paragraph. I will say don't skim the paragraph, because you will lose the understanding of the paragraph while solving the headline type of questions and also true false. Don't ever skim the paragraph. Read whole paragraph. Now third tip for the reading, time management. You don't want to give too much importance to one question, because all the questions are equal marks. So you have to try to give the question amount of time equally in each questions. That is very important. And time management, you don't want to increase the 20-minute time on each on all the 3 paragraphs, and at the end try to save at least 2 or 3 minutes so you can go all the questions if you have ever missed the solution. These are the 3 tips for the reading. It is very important to get 8 band. 8 band you can easily get on the reading. Just follow these 3 tips that I have given. Now the next section is writing section. Writing section is most hard section. I have faced the reality of that. For that, stick to the format, stick to your learning. For task 1, we all know that the format of the task 1 is first will be paraphrase, second will be the overview, and third paragraph is your paragraph number 1, and the fourth paragraph is paragraph number 2. So these are the 4 things in which the task 1 is divided. Task 1 will test you only one thing, that you will able to report the main feature. The invigilator want to see only the main feature of the bar graph or any other graph. Just report the main feature on the 2 paragraph, and rest will be guaranteed that you will get 8 band. On the task number 2, there are 5 types of the task number 2. I will not get into the details, just I want to say 2 and most important things. That example is essence of the task number 2. Example should be present in the task number 2, and you cannot skip the example. This example is very important. Invigilator will see the example on the task number 2 and follow the recommended format, that is introduction, 2 paragraph, and last is conclusion. In the paragraph, what you have to write? Your idea, explain the idea, and an example is very important on each paragraph. There will be 2 examples on each paragraph. And at last, read the 2 answers, that is task 1 answer and task 2 answer, at least 1 times before submitting to the paper. So this is all in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I will love to answer, and try to keep all the tips that I have given and I have shared to you. It is very important that you follow these tips to get most of this video, and I definitely assure you, by following you at least can get 8 band in listening, reading, and even writing. If not, you can at least get 7 band. So please comment down below, or you can also share your question personally in DM on Instagrams. And please do subscribe my YouTube channels. And okay, I'm signing off. Bye bye and good night.